As per the Ayush research papers journals, for diabetic patient, what is the ideal breakfast, lunch and dinner? So today we are going to talk on this. Your breakfast should have a high amount of fiber. So whole grains like pearl millet, finger millet, maize are the ideal. Use the ground version of these grains to make idlis, dosas or the chillas for you. You can make the breakfast more palatable and nutritious by adding more of a seasonal veggies as well as by the inclusion of amla pickle. So avoid eating breakfast items which are made up of refined flour and sugar, white sugar. This should be avoided. And the refined sugar as well. Anything which is refined, anything which is man-made, always switch to the things which are God-made. And if you feel hunger pangs during the midday meal, the best snack for you is makhanas, fox nuts are the best snack. Secondly, you can have you can have fruit platter, you can have sprout salad. These are the best things which keep on giving you the energy. And for your lunch, as a diabetic patient, you can have steamed rice, but make sure it is not the white rice. I'm talking about the shali chawal. Shali chawal is mentioned in our Charak Sanhita. It is the best for the diabetic patient. It is not the brown color rice. It is only having the color. So shali chawal is a kind of red rice actually. So you can have shali chawal, you can have the seasonal vegetable, you can have the dal along with the chapati. And there's a research during COVID time, 5 positive millets that is known as foxtail millet, barnyard millet, little, brown and kodo. These 5 millets, if you're consuming daily, like if you're taking it in your dinner or you can take it in your lunch, you are supposed to heal your diabetes very soon. Even the people who are obese, who are hypertensive, it's too good to have because these millets are quickly absorbable in the body and these are having very nutritious properties. So switch to the millets in your diet, especially in the dinner also. And for the evening snack, you can have a herbal tea, you can have a Ayush Kwath, you can have fox nuts. And for the dinner, as per the Ayurveda, we say during sunset, you should wind up with your dinner. It is not the late night dinner. It should always be by 6:37 or max to 7:30. And in the dinner, you can have the seasonal vegetable, the dal. Avoid chapatis, avoid rice, and take the food which are having low glycemic index. Like if you are taking fruits during the daytime, during the pitta time, it should be with the low glycemic index. Means like apple, jamun are having low glycemic index, orange also with the low glycemic index. And for the vegetables, you can switch to any good vegetables, but avoid curry, urad, white chane, bangan, arbi. These things should be avoided. So keep in mind, for more information, you can call us, you can visit us, you can show us your prakriti because your constitution is the right diagnosis for your particular diet according to you and according to your health. So I wish you all a very happy, healthy and a diabetes free life. You can join our diabetes reversal program, visit our clinic. Thank you.